Hey, my name's Hudson, owner and managing partner of Cool Roofs Austin. Today we're on top of a roof in downtown Austin. We're doing a commercial building inspection. The existing assembly of this roof system is some type of modified cap sheet. We can tell by the 3-foot rolls that are overlapping, and somebody else has come in and put either acrylic or a silicone coating. Now we need to find out whether it's a high solid, which would be a silicone, or an acrylic coating, because based on what is existing, we can go back with something. And now if it's a high solid, we have to go back with a high solid. If it's acrylic, we have a bunch more options. The building owner has specifically stated that they want us to provide a PVC estimate. The reason that they want to provide a PVC estimate is because over here we have a hood vent. With this hood vent, we have animal fats on the roof. Single ply membrane that has ratings for animal fats would be a PVC. Now, whenever we go back with a PVC roof system, we want to understand a few things. We want to understand what the integrity of the substrate is. That would be the decking that the roof sits on, and how we can attach our new roof system to it. On a roof like this, we would probably need to remove down to the original decking, which we've already looked at the perimeter edge of the building and found out that the structural decking is wood. It's an OSB 3/4 inch. With that, we can do a mechanically fastened system. So we would remove this roof system all the way down to the decking. From there, we would build up the decking with a recovery board, and then our TPO or our PVC roof system on top of that. Now, main things to consider are thermal bridges through the roof system. We need to get a count on all our plumbing stacks on the roof system, size of the plumbing stacks. We need to get linear footages of the hood vent in order to flash them properly. And then we also need to take a look at other thermal bridges like our ductwork. Anything that goes through the roof system into the structure below, we need to notate. And the reason we do that is there's curb flashing that goes in to putting back a PVC roof system. Now, the other thing that we need to address, this is one of our main concerns on any roof like this, is old material up on the roof. We'll need to get that up and off prior to us proceeding with the roof system. The other thing is we don't want to take on any of the HVAC work. We need to push this off on another contractor. So communicating to your building owner first and foremost that all this work needs to be subbed out by a specific trade that is a master in their field, we need to have that conversation first and foremost so we don't create any false expectations. We have an area of ponding, which is right underneath these AC ducts. Area of ponding on a commercial building is any water that stands for over 48 hours. With this, when we go back with this roof system, we're going to do a core sample today. We're going to figure out what the existing substrate is, how many roofs we have on it, and what we can do. With this though, if we came back and there was still good structural integrity, we would want to build up this area in order to shed water off the edges of the roof.